and today we're going to be making slime. So I have a bunch of ingredients, so the first one is magical liquid. We have the Elmo's blue glitter glue. We have a spoon and a bowl. And now let's get started. Okay, so first, take this off, and then you have the glue. Now pour it in. Whoa, this looks so cool, guys. I've made one glitter glue, but I think I made one, but I didn't do it on camera. But I only have two types of glues of this, and this is the second one of them. Oh my, this is so fun. If you want to do this, you can do this at home. Ask your mom, can I make some slime? Boom! Get your slime if she says yes. Ask your mom or dad, whoever you live with. But you need to get all the glue out. Okay, so we got most of the glue. Just need a little bit more out. And sometimes you have to let it settle to fall. And then it will just like be beep. Okay, so we've done most of it right here. Let's do this. Just kidding. Okay, so now we're gonna add the magical liquid. So I'm gonna add a half of the bottle. There you go. And now it's time to mix. Wow. Oh, wow. It's fun to mix this stuff. And if you don't know, if you want me to show you, there are directions. So first it says pour the glue, then put the magic liquid, then stir, which is what I'm doing right now. And then when you're done stirring really good, you're gonna have to like pick it up and mush it and stuff like that. Oh wow, it's getting stuck in the spoon already. Whoa. This slime is so fun. Let's add a little bit more. There we go. Oh yes. Let's get that in there. Oh whoops, got that. Boom, yeah. Okay, so my mom and my sister always said, look at the camera, but I can't this time because I have to focus on the slime and see what I'm doing. But I can take little peeks, but my arm hurts. So I might finish this tomorrow on my next video. I'm probably gonna make on the weekends and that stuff, guys. But oh god, this is so cool. Sometimes I'm gonna be asking my mom to come help me in the middle of the video, and I'm just talking about things while I'm making it fun. Oh my god. Okay, so let's talk about the slime now. So like when you have slime, it's like so amazing. Like, oh my, like just look at this. Look at it. Oh, it's so cool and it's so stretchy. That's why slime is really popular now. God, this is like, oh my. Okay.
So, whoa!
When you touch it, it's really gooey. Like it actually is. Oh, it's not ready to be touched yet, I guess. Ah! Okay. So. Oh my, this is so cool. I don't think it's ready to be touched, but I really want to touch it. Okay. Okay, so, woo! Oh my. Oh wow. It's already like turning into slime. Okay, we need some more solution. Even though most of it from the floor. Oh my, it's so slippery. Is it gooey? Oh yeah, it's gooey. It's got this solution in it. Oh my, this slime is legit cool. Oh my, this stuff is lit. Oh my, this is really turning out well. But doing this is nothing. Doing this is something. Oh wow. Oh, that's so gooey. Oh. Okay, so I mixed the rest, and now I got a plate this time to take it out of the bowl and knead it. Just let it sit there, like just let it sit, and then just start kneading, like that means playing with it, just like playing and stuff. It's kind of sticky, but it's like this sound. It's so cool. Like here. So slime is really popular, and that's how you make the slime. Make sure you subscribe, turn the notifications, and like.